Hey you all, it's Hannah here, and I'm super excited to share with you my recipe for the best egg fried rice ever. This is a dish that I make all the time when I need something quick and tasty, or when I have some rice that's been sitting in the fridge for a while. It's a great way to pack in some protein and veggies, and it's so easy to customize with whatever you have on hand. So, let's get cooking. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are 4 cups of cooked rice, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1/4 cup of chopped carrot, 1/4 cup of frozen peas, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Beat eggs in a small bowl and season with salt and pepper. Step 2. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over high heat. Pour in the beaten eggs and scramble until cooked. Transfer eggs to a plate and set aside. Step 3. Add the remaining oil to the skillet and heat it over high heat. Stir fry onions and carrots for about 3 minutes until soft. Add rice and peas, tossing everything together. Step 4. Drizzle soy sauce over the rice mixture and stir fry for another 2 minutes until well combined and heated through. Step 5. Add the scrambled eggs back to the skillet, mixing them with the rice. Adjust seasoning with more salt, pepper, or soy sauce if needed. Step 6. Your egg fried rice is ready to serve. Optionally, top with chopped scallions, sesame seeds, or sriracha sauce. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more blogging good food. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this dish, or if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. I love hearing from you and I will try to reply as soon as possible.